Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Skrill account. If you've decided you no longer need your Skrill account, then before proceeding to delete or close your account, make sure that you have withdrawn or transferred any remaining funds in your account, completed or cancelled any pending transactions, reviewed any linked bank cards or payment methods and removed them if necessary, and also taken note of any account statements or records you need for future taxes or bookkeeping. Once you make sure of that and you are well prepared, you can then visit the official website of Skrill or open up the Skrill application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page, click on the profile picture at the top left corner, and from your profile section, click on Personal Details. Under Personal Details, go all the way down and click on Close Account. Now, go through the information and click on the Close Account button, and in the pop-up, click Close Account once again. Soon after you do that, your Skrill account will be closed successfully. Now you can log out of your account and delete your Skrill app from your device. So that is how you can easily delete or close your Skrill account quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.